Hey guys, so today's April 16th and I'm gonna do another LeetCode daily challenge. So yeah, let's go. Currently watching the NBA play-ins, so maybe I just go quick today, get it out of the way. So, I feel like I've been trying to just do problems quickly and then just trashing them, but maybe I'll get back into it soon, but I don't really have that like drive right now, which is cool, I guess. Okay, so this should be easy. Hopefully we could do it. 2176, count equal and divisible pairs in an array. Given a zero index integer array nums of length n and an integer k, return the number of pairs ij where 0 less than I less than j less than n. Okay, so like I and j are like indices and I is less than j, such that nums of I and nums of is equal to nums of j, and I times j is divisible by k. Maybe I'll do brute force first, and then maybe we could think about optimizing. But I think whenever they want like two indices, it's really easy just to just loop it twice. And this would just be like O of n squared, right? Um, and n being the length of the nums array. So for I in range n, for j in range n, and then for the brute force, you just follow exactly what they want, right? Like if I is less than j, so that's what they said. And they said nums I is equal to nums j, and right, there's all these conditions, and I times j is divisible by k. I times j, what does divisible by k mean? It means when you mod it by k, you get 0. There's like no remainder, right? That means it's divisible by k. If that, then we found a pair. Then we can just do pairs plus equal to 1, and then just make sure that we have a variable called pairs that starts at 0 so that we could return pairs. I think that's it for brute force. This would be O of n squared. Let's go ahead and submit that. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay, so now if maybe this video is a little short, so maybe I'll try to optimize a bit. I think instead of just looping it twice, since we're looping, it's that thing where like we could just go once and then store our like history, or like have like a bank that will store our history so that when we move on later on, we can be like, hey, is there an I in the past, right? Because if I is less than j, um, maybe I could draw this out better. Like if I is less than j, we could kind of traverse pretending we're on each I. Um, so if we had like 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, and we just go like index by index by index, right? We just keep moving this way, then we can have some sort of bank, like some sort of history. Right, would that be good? So maybe n is length of nums again. And then maybe my history could be a default dict of list. And would the key be just like a number in the nums array? Its value is a list of indices that have num as its uh, wait like nums at this indice is equal to the number right here, right? It just holds all the all the indices with this num. So for I in range n, for index num in enumerate nums, wait, I don't know. I don't know if this is better. What are we looking for? If history, this is gonna be a list, right? Cur list is history num. If there's stuff in the history, no, I'm not. Okay, no. It's fine. I just did the n squared. Let me see how to optimize. What? Usually the editorial will tell us the better way to do it. Okay. Whatever. I thought it was going to be like pretty straightforward, but I guess it's not. Huh. Whatever. N squared time, and then wait, what was my... Yeah, so that's n squared time, and then that's just constant of 1 space n squared time. So hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.